In this video, you will learn how to convert units or to check the correctness of equations by using the given dimensions or units of physical quantities, which we call as dimensional analysis. Well, dimensional analysis is simply a way to make sure your math and science problems are consistent by tracking how the units cancel out, just like algebra. So let's solve some sample problems here. During the previous year, Zach's weather station measured 0.8 yards of rain. Express this amount in centimeters. So we're given here 0.8 yards, and then we convert that to centimeters. 0.8 yards to centimeters. So you need to familiarize yourself with the conversion factors. So in this case, we need to take a look at some conversion factors between yards and centimeters. Let's recall that 1 yard is just equal to 36 inches, and 1 inch is just equal to 2.54 centimeters. And now we can use these conversion factors to convert 0.8 yards to centimeters. So let's start with the given value, which is 0.8 yards. And then we multiply this by the ratio of the conversion factor, yard and 36 inches. So 1 yard, 1 yard is equal to or is to 36 inches. So in this case, you have to make sure that some of the units cancel out. So in this case, we need to cancel out yards. Then we're left with the unit inches. Then we need to cancel out inches to convert that one to centimeters. So we use the conversion factor between inch and centimeters. So this should be centimeters. One inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. Inch goes here, and centimeters goes here. So we can cancel out the inch unit. Then now we're left with the unit centimeters, and we can perform the operation. So we have 0.8 times 36 times 2.54 centimeters. And this is just equal to 73.152 centimeters, or simply just 73 centimeters. Now let's solve another problem. After going online to shop at Home Depot, you realize that your favorite laminate flooring design covers 13.74 square feet, should be square feet, of flooring each box. Using your final answer from number 1, how many boxes would you need to order? Round up to the nearest whole number, since you may have a few left over. Answer from problem 1 is just equal to 1.1 times 10 to the 7. This is square centimeters. So it's given here that one box measures 13.74 square feet, and that the area of the flooring is 1.1 times 10 to the 7 square centimeters. And we are asked for the number of boxes. Now to solve for the number of boxes, we just have to divide number of boxes you need to order is just equal to the area of the flooring divided by the area per box, which is 13.74. But notice here that the units of the area of the flooring and the area of the flooring covered by each box have different units. One is square centimeters and the other one is square feet. So that means we need to convert the area of the whole flooring to square feet. So let's recall the conversion factors first. So for centimeters, we can convert that to inches. So we know that 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. And then 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. So now we can convert 1.1 times 10 to the 7 square centimeters. This is just equal to 11 million. If you're going to expand this one, convert this to inches first. So 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters, and since this is squared, so we need to square this one, and then we convert inch to foot. So 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. Since this is squared, then we need to square this one too. The units here will be cancelled, the centimeter squared here and the inch squared, and we need to cancel out the feet squared also. So that means we need to multiply this by the ratio of the box and the flooring design. So 1 box is just equal to 13.74 square feet. So the square feet unit here cancels out now. Then we're left with the number of boxes. Okay, we can now perform the operation. So this is just 1.1 times 10 to the 7th over 2.54 squared times 12 squared times 13.74. Alright, calculating this using your calculator, this would give us 861.74 boxes. It says here round up to the nearest whole number. Then we can round this off to 862, since the number after 1 is 7 and 7 is more than 5, so we add 1 to 1. So this one is 862. Therefore, you need to order 862 boxes to design your flooring, which is an area of 1.1 times 10 to the 7 square centimeters.